Well, hey everybody, it's Detecting Fever here. You know, usually I do metal detecting videos, but you know, when I go out with the RV a lot to do metal detecting, I do a lot of RV videos, and this one is an RV series, and it's going to be a series of videos. So I'm out here with SOY RV caravan, and we're down here at the Rose Parade. We're doing festivities, and part of the festivities is actually seeing the Rose Parade, so it's going to be really great. I'm going to make a series of videos. This first video was we're here at Sierra Madre Park, and they have a community center. And here at the community center, they're actually building their own float for their community. And they take volunteers, and those volunteers cut roses and get everything ready. You've seen in previous clips, I've kind of highlighted some of that. So I hope you enjoy these videos. There will be a series of them until I get back and get my metal detectors out. But until then, sometimes you got to do what the wife wants, and one of the benefits is when I get back, I should have my Nocto Macro Legend should be arriving, and I'm really excited to try that out. So hey, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, it's free, and the channel appreciates it, and we appreciate you. Thank you.
That's the number of seats.
All right, so here we're walking. Where are we going to? Sierra Madre rose cutting
float building.
So Yolanda wants to decorate the float. I'm like looking over here and saying, wish I would have brought my metal detector over here. Opportunity missed. But it is pretty. Look up there, right there at the mountains right here. Really beautiful homes up here too. Nice park. So as you see, this big group of people here, so we're on an RV caravan for the Rose Parade. So this is our first event, the float decorating. It's kind of cool. We get to decorate a float, and when you see it in the parade, you know you participated in that. Okay, so this is the float that Yolanda's going to be cutting roses and helping. So it's amazing right now. This thing is not even near done, and the parade is like 2 days away. But I'm sure they'll make it, and we'll have to remember. So this is the Sierra Madre float. All right, nice baseball field right here. Yeah, so this is Detecting Fever, and this video is going to be, or this series of video is going to be a little bit different than my normal ones because I'm out here. I'm out here with an RV caravan at the Rose Parade, and we're down at Santa Anita's racetrack. And right now, the first event was decorating a float. So my wife Yolanda, she's down there right now getting ready to cut some roses. But I just wanted to walk around this park and see a potential target that I might have to come back out here for. It's not that far of a drive from home. All right, let me keep going around. Alright, so I'm checking out this park area right here. And boy, all the volleyball courts I've ever hit with the metal detector, I've never seen one as used as this one. And no detector. But pretty cool.
The green gets to stay. There's no excuse for it. Let me get back in here. All right.
Well, it looks like the rose cutting has begun in earnest here. There's wifey way back there doing the hard work. So this is just the background work to do a float. Yeah, this is what it takes to make a float right here. A lot of volunteers and a lot of beautiful flowers. Okay, so this is what the float's going to look like when it's done. Enchanted music box.